I'm Irish Kevin, and I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your regular guy walk behind lawnmower. Just like a car, the oil needs to be changed in your lawnmower, and you should do it every so often. I would say once a year, at a bare minimum every other year, depending on how much you use your lawnmower. So first, make sure there's no gas in it. And that's just so it doesn't leak all over the place when you tilt it on its side. Because now we're going to tilt it on its side. Ooh, we're gonna get a bonus video called clean out the bottom of your lawnmower. You just need something to scrape it with. So this thing right here is what I'm really looking for. This fits in here perfectly. It'll come right out now. Let me see if it's gonna drip anything. Yeah, yep, it is. Okay. All right, so we want to be environmentally friendly with this. I have this oil change thing for my car. So basically, I'm gonna pop that off and flip it onto this. All right, all the oil is drained out. And now put in the new oil. It doesn't take a lot. This one takes SAE 30. All right, just like a car, you check the oil with the dipstick and see what we have. We need to add a little bit more, so let's go ahead and do that. And we're good. Yeah, it was like half a quart. I better not be getting eaten by fucking fire ants. For all the blah blah blah. Okay, well, we'll do a take two right here.